how to log out of LinkedIn app. If you'd like to log out of the LinkedIn app, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the LinkedIn application. And currently you can see that I'm successfully signed into my LinkedIn app, right? So what if I want to sign out of my LinkedIn app? So if I want to sign out of my LinkedIn app, I would have to simply tap on the profile icon from the very top left of the screen right here, and right from here you can see a couple of options, right? But you want to simply go to the option called settings right here. Once you go to settings, you'll come to this page where also if you scroll you can see all these options, but you have to scroll, and under this footer you can see a very small option that says sign out. So that's exactly what we want to do. Tap on the sign out button right there, and you can tap to remember your info and sign out, and once done you'll be successfully signed out of LinkedIn. So this way you should be able to sign out of your LinkedIn account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.